100 Top Persian Phrases Part 5. Hello my lovely friends, welcome back to Learn Persian with Asal. Today we have the part 5 of 100 top Persian phrases, 100 common Persian phrases, and I know that you like these parts very much, so I try my best to create some videos like this. And also we have 10 parts of these top Persian phrases, but I will continue it in another videos with verbs, adjectives, sentences, and blah blah blah. So make sure that you are subscribing the channel, and also if you like it, put a thumbs up and like the video. Okay, let's start it. 51. نمیشه. 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 It doesn't work. 52. امکان نداره. امکان نداره. امکان نداره. امکان نداره. It's not possible. 53. خوشبختم. 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 Nice to meet you. When you see someone for the first time and you want to greet them, so after saying your names and greeting, you can say خوشبختم. Nice to meet you. And in the answer, when someone tells you خوشبختم, you can say من هم همینطور. من هم همینطور. 54. چه خبر؟ چه خبر؟ What's up? 55. مهمون من باش. مهمون من باش. مهمون من باش. I'll treat you. Maybe your friend tells you that. مهمون من باش. Be my guest. Literally, it means be my guest. Or I'll treat you. It means I'll pay the money. In Persian, people use this phrase a lot because of ta'aruf. It's a Persian culture. Usually, Persian people say this to their friends, to their guests. And also, when you are at a restaurant, when your Persian friends tell you that mehmun man bash, don't accept it right away. They may just tell you because they want to show you that they care about you, they like you, and they are polite. 56. K. When. This is very important. In Persian, we have two words that we write just like each other. These two words. But one of them is K and the other is ki. Remember, K means when, ki means who. In speaking, it's very easy because you see the pronunciation are different. But the writing, the spelling are the same. So only in a sentence you can understand that it's K or ki. 57. خوبم. خوبم. I'm fine. 58. ببخشین. 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 Sorry. You can use this phrase when you want to ask someone a question. For example, a stranger on the street and you want to ask them an address, you want to ask for a direction. So you can start like this. ببخشین. Where is the Hotel Azadi? Or what time is it? ساعت چنده? And the other meaning of ببخشین is excuse me, sorry. When you want to apologize, you can use this phrase also. 59. قربون شما. قربون شما. قربون شما. Or also you can say قربان شما. قربان شما. Both are using in spoken Persian. And it depends on the situation. For example, in more formal situation, you can say قربان شما. But in a more friendly situation, you can say قربون شما. It means you're welcome. But literally, it means I will sacrifice myself for you, like that. When someone say مرسی خیلی ممنونم, you can say قربون شما. قربان شما. And it means you're welcome. 60. اختیار داری. اختیار داری. اختیار داری. It means do not mention it, or somehow like you're welcome. That was the part 5 of top 100 top Persian phrases. I hope you enjoy it and learn something. Ask me any questions in the comments, and also write for me your opinions. If you want any kinds of videos that you want me make for you, just write it in the comments. And if you want to support me, please subscribe the channel and like the video. I'm Asal. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.